यूपीएससी की परीक्षा. So I am here with important budget questions for UPSC 2026 and CUET PC exam. First question is, what is the union budget? Why is it important? I have taken short answer type questions. So answer is, the union budget is the annual financial statement of the government of India, presented under Article 112 of the Constitution. It contains estimated receipts and expenditures for the upcoming financial year. Its importance: it allocates resources, promotes economic growth, controls inflation, reduces inequality, and influences investment and employment. Next question is, distinguish between revenue budget and capital budget. Revenue budget is related to day-to-day income and expenditure. Capital budget is related to asset creation and liabilities. Revenue budget includes taxes and subsidies, and capital budgets includes borrowings and infrastructures spending. Revenue budget does not create assets. Capital budget creates long-term assets. Now the third question, what is fiscal deficit? How can it be reduced? Fiscal deficit occurs when government expenditure exceeds total revenue, including borrowings. Measures to reduce it: in order to reduce fiscal deficit, tax collection should be increased, unnecessary subsidies should be disinvestment should be promoted, and public expenditure should be improved efficiently. Public expenditure efficiency should be improved. Next question is, explain the difference between fiscal deficit and revenue deficit. So we have discussed, but we will again discuss it in different ways. Fiscal deficit is gap between total expenditure and total receipts, and revenue deficit is gap between revenue expenditure and revenue receipts. Revenue deficit reflects total borrowing requirement. Fiscal deficit reflects total borrowing requirement, and revenue deficit indicates inability to meet routine expenses. Fiscal deficit is a broader concept, and revenue deficit is a narrower concept. Now, another question, what is zero-based budgeting? Zero-based budgeting is also known as ZBB, is a method where every expenditure must be justified from scratch for each new budget period. Its advantage: it reduces wasteful expenditure, it improves efficiency, it enhances accountability. Now, next question, number 6, what is gender budgeting? Gender budgeting refers to analyzing government expenditure and policies from the perspective of gender equality. Its objectives: women empowerment, inclusive development, and better allocation for women-centric schemes. Now, next question number 7 is what is outcome budgeting? Outcome budgeting focuses on outcome and results achieved from government expenditure rather than only spending amounts. Its importance: it enhances transparency, it improves governance, and it ensures efficient utilization of funds. Next question, which is number 8, what is FRBM Act? The Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management is known as FRBM Act. It aims to ensure fiscal discipline by reducing fiscal deficit and public debt. Its objective is macroeconomic stability, fiscal transparency, and sustainable debt management. Question number 9, explain the role of budget in economic development. Budget helps to promote growth, generate employment, reduce poverty, develop infrastructure, it ensures regional balance, and it acts as an important instrument of economic planning. Now, the last but not least, question number 10 is what are direct taxes and indirect taxes? Direct tax paid directly by individuals or corporates. Indirect tax is collected through goods and services. Example of direct tax is income tax, and indirect tax example is GST. Direct tax burden cannot be shifted. Person whom it is imposed has to pay. But burden of GST can be shifted. So you have to prepare all these topics so that you can write any one of these 10. So stay connected and please like and share. Thank you.